Welcome back to my channel. But before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn my attention, give me a huge thumbs up. Today is very funny. It is very fun. We now drive through washing car. It's so cool. After this is ours. I'm very excited. And it's have airplane, jet, water jet. I love water jet because it's like a jet sound. I'm very, very excited. Water. Tiga orang sih, Jak.
You turn around. This camera. Okay. You
See? Look.
over there.
Like this. Like that. Whoa. We are so close. You want to hear me scream? It's like a jet.
Awal mo to dari pas na tenang.
Whoa, that is an air jet. Now, let's wash it.
Ready ko, yang anak kering.
We got this.
Buli kering oh. Yung rambut dia kering.
You should in here.
Oh, look at that. It's flowing. It's flowing.
And the next one is the sink.
Oh.
Show lah.
Rainbow
See?
shower.
Woo!
Rainbow.
Whoa! It's getting dark! It's getting dark! It's so dark. It's so dark.
No, over there.
Oh. See? It's right up. And over there. And over there. It's right up. It's so very cool, guys. Like that. You will hear me another scream.
Banjir gitu. Banjir terus.
Do you want?
Antara tangan.
So, we are still wiping and it's still soapy. Our car is don't wanna be soapy
Bagian dorong.
the other time.
Ini dia berpasir.
Maksudnya ini bagian depan terus bagian kanan dia kan
It's
bagian
very shining.
Ada
bagian
bagian sudut.
See? It's shining. It's shining. That's cool. Whoa. But you look. Do you want to see?
Abang,
Look.
it's ready. Are you ready?
Like that, the water. Not just scream.
Do you like the water?
Yep. And the sun.
Just show that
Wait.
you swim.
Look my clothes, guys. You can get this from 88. Is this
Macam ni okey lah.
water jet? Yes.
Ikan kawasan
Oh, just water.
orang tengok.
Just a little bit some
Yang
water.
simpel-simpel. Nah ini yang hujan dia. Water pot ini.
Repellent.
Nah, repellent.
Here's the water jet coming. Here's water jet. Here's the water jet. See? Whoa! It's water jet. Water jet.
1 tahun lebih sudah gitu tuh itu.
Water jet.
Tahu nggak tuh?
Ya.
That's so cool, guys. It's water jet.
Belum kena beli, yang kena jual dia doang di gudang lah yang masih.
Oh my gosh, this water jet. Prepare to take off.
Beli yang baru lah, so kosong.
Okay, that's over. Guys, that was so much fun. That was so much fun. Okay, I think it's that it. I think it's that it. Okay, guys, thank you for watching.
Guys.
And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell button. And
Berapa harga dia tuh?
5, 4,
Jadi ini masih
3, 2, 1. Subscribe to our channel. And bye.